Alrighty, so now let's spend a little bit of time talking about the muscles that are found alongside your hip, which are known as the glute minimus and the glute medius muscles. They're a little bit hard to distinguish in terms of trying to find them from your glute max muscle. So start foam rolling your glute medius and glute minimus muscles, taking the foam roller on the ground. It's going to be perpendicular to your mat, which hopefully your mat is in alignment with your body. Then what you're going to do is you're going to feel for that top of the hip bone where you located that hard bony bump on the side of your leg. You're going to roll forward with the hips pointing up. You're going to put your weight just down behind in that area. You're going to make contact with a meaty muscular area. That's going to be the glute minimus, glute medius. And you're going to have your elbow underneath your shoulder, your feet on the ground, making 2 points of contact. You'll roll back and forth. You can also hold and just create pressure, and you just breathe. And when you're done, come off it, get your pressure off, take the roller, you switch it off to the other side, you find that bony bump, you get behind it, and that meaty part of your glute, just at the top, where the pelvis is, where it's all muscle, you make contact with it, you hold, you breathe. I have 2 points of contact with my legs, 1 foot flat, the other foot on the side, and the elbow underneath the shoulder. And with those 3 points of contact, I move back and forth where I could roll out this area, getting some blood flow, getting a little friction, getting it ready for activity, or I could just compress to release the area and just relax the musculature. When you're done, you come up off it, and that's how you roll your glute medius and glute minimus muscles.